Think oatmeal is always healthy? Think again. Those little habits around your morning oats could be sabotaging your health. Oatmeal is a blank canvas, but how you top it matters. Today, let's walk through the most common oatmeal mistakes and how to turn your bowl into a truly nourishing, delicious start to your day. Small, mindful changes can have a big impact on how you feel. Let's get started and rediscover the true goodness of oatmeal. Sweetening your morning oatmeal is tempting. After all, who doesn't love a touch of sweetness to start the day? It's easy to reach for that spoonful of brown sugar or a generous drizzle of syrup, especially when you're craving comfort and flavor in your breakfast bowl. But here's the catch. Adding too much sugar can quickly turn your healthy breakfast into a sugar bomb, undoing many of the benefits you hope to get from your wholesome oats. What starts as a nutritious meal can become a source of empty calories and energy crashes. Added sugars, like brown sugar, maple syrup, and honey, may seem natural, but they still spike your blood sugar. This rapid rise and fall can leave you feeling tired, unfocused, and even hungrier than before. Over time, these sugar highs and lows can make it harder to maintain steady energy and healthy eating habits. And it's not just the obvious sweeteners you need to watch out for. Pre-packaged oatmeal packets, flavored toppings, and even dried fruits can be loaded with hidden sugars. Many brands add extra sweeteners to make their products more appealing. But these hidden sugars add up fast, sometimes more than you realize. Instead of relying on added sugars, try sweetening your oatmeal with fresh fruit. Blueberries, banana slices, or strawberries not only add natural sweetness, but also bring a burst of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber to your breakfast. These nutrients help keep you full longer and support your overall health. You can also experiment with spices like cinnamon or a splash of pure vanilla extract. These add depth and warmth to your oatmeal, enhancing the flavor without any added sugar. Nutmeg, cardamom, or a pinch of ginger can also bring new life to your bowl, making breakfast exciting and satisfying. Over time, you can retrain your palate to appreciate the subtle, natural sweetness of whole foods. As you cut back on added sugars, you'll start to notice and enjoy the flavors of oats, fruits, and spices more than ever before. It's a gradual process, but your taste buds will adapt. Make it a habit to read nutrition labels and ingredient lists. Look for hidden sugars in packaged foods, and choose toppings that truly nourish your body. The more mindful you are, the easier it becomes to make choices that support your health and energy. Even small changes, like swapping out sugary toppings for fresh fruit or spices, can make a world of difference. You'll notice the impact not just in your energy levels, but in your mood and overall well-being. When you fuel your body with steady, lasting energy from whole foods, you'll feel more alert, focused, and ready to take on the day. Your body will thank you for making choices that support your long-term health. Enjoy the flavors that work with you, not against you. Let your breakfast be a celebration of real, nourishing ingredients that help you thrive. Let's make every bite count. Choose wisely, savor fully, and start your day with the energy and satisfaction you deserve. Oatmeal alone is mostly carbs and fiber. Protein is often missing. Without enough protein, you'll be hungry again soon after breakfast. Add a spoonful of nut butter, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein boost. Even a scoop of protein powder works. Build your oatmeal into a balanced meal for lasting energy and satisfaction. Don't let your breakfast leave you running on empty. Make your oats the foundation of a complete, nourishing meal. Oversized bowls of oatmeal are easy to make, and it's tempting to think that more is always better. After all, oatmeal is healthy, right? But when it comes to nutrition, portion size matters just as much as the food itself. It's easy to lose track of how much you're actually eating, especially when you're hungry or in a rush. Even healthy foods can lead to excess calories if you overdo it. Adding extra oats, sweeteners, or high-calorie toppings can quickly turn a wholesome breakfast into a calorie bomb. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you serve yourself. Those little extras add up faster than you might think, especially if you're not paying attention. A standard serving is half a cup of dry oats. Measuring it out can help you recalibrate your sense of portion. If you're used to eyeballing it, you might be surprised at what a true serving looks like. Taking a moment to measure your oats is a simple habit that can make a big difference in your daily nutrition. Proper portions help you feel satisfied, not stuffed. Eating just enough leaves you feeling light and energized, rather than weighed down. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're comfortably full, but not overdoing it. This mindful approach can help you enjoy your meal more and avoid that sluggish feeling that comes from overeating. Balance your bowl with fruit, nuts, or a side of protein for a more complete meal. Adding a variety of toppings not only boosts flavor and nutrition, but also helps you feel fuller for longer. Think about including colorful berries, a handful of nuts, or a boiled egg to round out your breakfast and keep your energy steady throughout the morning. Mindful portions support your energy and digestion. When you eat the right amount, your body can process your meal more efficiently, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating smart and giving your body what it truly needs. Listen to your body, not just your eyes. Sometimes our eyes are bigger than our stomachs, and it's easy to serve more than we need. Take a moment to check in with your hunger and fullness cues before, during, and after your meal. This simple practice can help you avoid overeating and build a healthier relationship with food. A little attention to quantity goes a long way. By being mindful of how much you serve, you can enjoy your favorite foods without guilt or discomfort. Small changes in portion size can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Build a breakfast that leaves you energized, not sluggish. The right portion sets the tone for your whole day, helping you stay focused, active, and in a good mood. When you start your morning with a balanced, satisfying meal, you're more likely to make healthy choices all day long. Remember, it's about quality and balance, not just quantity. By paying attention to portion size and choosing nourishing ingredients, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals that support your health and keep you feeling your best. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the instant gratification trap, especially when it comes to breakfast. Instant oatmeal packets promise a quick, effortless meal, but what do we sacrifice for that convenience? These packets are heavily processed, and in the process, much of the natural nutrition and fiber found in whole oats is stripped away. The result is a product that's easy to prepare, but not nearly as nourishing as it could be. When you eat instant oats, your body digests them rapidly. This causes a quick spike in your blood sugar, giving you a burst of energy that fades just as fast. Before you know it, you're hungry again, reaching for another snack to fill the void. The added sugars in many instant oatmeal packets only make this cycle worse, leaving you unsatisfied and craving more. If you want a breakfast that keeps you full and energized, consider switching to old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats. These less processed varieties retain more of their natural fiber and nutrients, which means they digest more slowly and provide a steady release of energy throughout your morning. You'll feel fuller for longer, and your body will benefit from the extra nutrition. Sure, they take a few extra minutes to cook compared to instant oats, but the difference in texture and taste is remarkable. The oats become thick, hearty, and satisfying, making your breakfast feel more substantial. Plus, the nutritional payoff is well worth those extra minutes at the stove. If mornings are hectic, try making a big batch of oats ahead of time. Meal prepping your breakfast means you'll have wholesome, ready-to-eat portions waiting for you all week. Just reheat and add your favorite toppings for a quick, nourishing start to your day. Of course, there will be days when you're in a rush and instant oats are the only option. That's okay. Life happens. But for your regular breakfast routine, choosing less processed oats can make a big difference in how you feel and function. When you fuel your body with slow-digesting, nutrient-rich oats, you'll notice the benefits: more energy, better focus, and fewer cravings throughout the day. Your body will thank you for providing it with the kind of fuel it truly needs. A little planning goes a long way. Taking just a few minutes to prepare your breakfasts in advance can set you up for better health, improved mood, and more productive mornings. Remember, the choice is yours. Pick the oats that support your goals and your lifestyle. Small changes, like switching to less processed oats, can have a big impact over time. So tomorrow morning, treat yourself to a breakfast that truly sustains. One that nourishes your body, satisfies your hunger, and helps you start your day on the right foot. Healthy fats are essential. Don't skip them in your oatmeal. Nuts, seeds, and nut butters add flavor, texture, and help you absorb vitamins. Fats slow digestion, keeping you full and energized longer. Add a swirl of almond butter or a sprinkle of chia seeds for a creamy, satisfying bowl. Seeds like flax and hemp are packed with omega-3s and fiber. Embrace healthy fats. They're your allies for a balanced breakfast. Don't let old diet myths hold you back. A little fat transforms your oats into a powerhouse meal. Enjoy the richness and nourishment they bring. Not all oats have the same fiber. Processing matters. Steel-cut and rolled oats have more fiber than instant. Check nutrition labels and choose high-fiber options for better digestive health. Boost fiber with toppings. Berries, chia seeds, and flaxseed are easy add-ins. Raspberries are fiber superstars. Add a handful for a big boost. More fiber means feeling full and satisfied longer. Be intentional with your choices for a breakfast that works for you. Make every bowl a champion for your gut. Texture matters. Overcooked oats turn mushy and less satisfying. Chewier oats require more chewing, signaling fullness to your brain. Cook oats until they're tender but still have a bite. Steel-cut oats naturally offer a heartier texture. Mindful eating starts with mindful cooking. Find the consistency you love for a more enjoyable, filling meal. A satisfying texture helps prevent overeating. Enjoy oats that nourish both body and mind. Flavored oatmeal packets are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and preservatives. You're paying for convenience, not nutrition. Make your own oatmeal with plain oats and real ingredients. Simmer chopped apples and cinnamon for a homemade apples and cinnamon bowl. Add a drizzle of pure maple syrup for sweetness, much less than in packets. Get creative with fruit, spices, nuts, and seeds. Homemade means control, flavor, and real nourishment. Leave the packets behind and enjoy the real thing. Oatmeal is just the start. Build a balanced bowl for a complete meal. Add protein, Greek yogurt, nuts or protein powder, and healthy fats, nut butter, seeds. Top with fresh fruit for vitamins and color. Each element works together for steady energy and satisfaction. Think of your bowl as a masterpiece. Layer flavors, textures, and nutrients. A balanced breakfast powers you through the morning. Shift from just eating oats to building a nourishing meal. Revolutionize your routine with a bowl that does it all. Eating the same oatmeal every day can lead to nutritional gaps and flavor fatigue. Rotate toppings and mix-ins for a broader range of nutrients and more excitement. Try tropical fruits, cozy spices, or even savory oats with eggs and avocado. Variety keeps breakfast interesting and your body nourished. Make oatmeal a playground for creativity. Challenge yourself to try something new each week. Enjoy the joy and pleasure of a diverse, delicious breakfast. Turn routine into a daily moment of creative nourishment. Small changes to your oatmeal routine can transform your health. Focus on intention, not perfection. Choose toppings and oats that truly nourish. See your morning bowl as a canvas for creativity and self-care. Share your favorite combinations in the comments and inspire others. Let's build a community around good food and feeling great. Thanks for joining me. Here's to better mornings, one bowl at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips and delicious ideas. See you next time.